Hello everyone! It's me, your furry friend Danyrrari. Today, I have an amazing story to share with you. My best friend Daniel told me about a big junkyard filled with unique sports cars. And he said he wants to build a museum for these cars. I told him it sounds like a fantastic idea. And of course, I'm ready to help. Show me the way. Wow, so many cars! Look at those rare models here. Let's try to start some of them. I think this one won't start ever again. But this car managed to start. That's amazing! If we leave them here for a few more years, they will all disappear. Daniel is right. We need to do something right away. That's a wise decision. But how can we take all of them with us? He asked me if I could build a truck for safely transporting these cars. Of course I can do it, I replied. I started building it right away. Do you want to see how I did it? Great, Daniel! The truck is almost ready. Let's check it out. But Daniel said the transporter truck should look a bit different. Instead of a covered trailer, it should be an open trailer for showcasing the cars during transportation. Great idea, Daniel! I'll make the necessary changes. There you go, Daniel. The car carrier is ready. Shall we go for a test drive? And we tested our new truck right on the street. It can carry all the cars easily. The test drive went great, Daniel. Now it's time to build the museum to display these incredible cars in all their glory. Ta-da! The museum is ready! It's a wonderful place to showcase all the cars. Pick one of your friends, Daniel, and visit our very own car museum. Sure, Daniel brought his best friend, his mom. We already saw these cars in the junkyard, but Daniel's mom was amazed by how beautiful they are. Actually, she didn't know that besides building the truck in the museum, I also fixed all the cars and painted them in my favorite colors. I even made some mannequins to make the museum look better. They loved the cars, and I checked to make sure there were no scratches on them. They're in perfect condition. The best gift for me was when Daniel said, "Great job, Danyrrari! All the cars look perfect! We transported them without a single scratch. We did a great job!" Daniel's mom said, "Wow, you've done an amazing job creating this museum. I know, Danyrrari, that you did most of the work helping Daniel." She's right, I have to admit it. I did a lot, but I would have never thought of restoring all the cars, building the transporter truck, and then creating the museum. What I learned from this adventure is that you should always be creative and never limit yourself. When you have an idea, you can change the world. Hooray! I'm so happy we could help create such a beautiful museum for these cars. Now they're in a safe place, and people can enjoy the museum. Thank you all for joining us in this car adventure. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our nice channel, where we share other fun stories and adventures with Danyrrari and Daniel. I forgot to tell you that we decided to leave this old broken car as a reminder of where all the other cars came from. It's a symbol of how we turned something abandoned into something beautiful. This car will always remind us of our amazing adventure and transformation. Thank you, old car, for becoming a part of our history. Goodbye, my friends. Until our next adventure, keep spreading joy and kindness. See you soon.